I'm Joe Ruffles from Riverbed, and we co-lead the MEF's efforts on SD-WAN. We are co-editors of the SD-WAN Service Specification, and we co-lead the Multivendor Implementation project. And these two projects actually work with each other symbiotically, because on the implementation project we have service providers like AT&T, Verizon, Telia, the whole MEF community suggesting use cases that they want to see in SD-WAN. They're really interested in things about interoperability. What if they have customers where they need to work with a partner to complete the service for them? What if they have multiple vendors' equipment, either through acquisition or multi-vendor procurement strategies, etc. They need to be able to make multi-vendor, multi-service provider SD-WANs work for their customers. And in fact, we are seeing an increasing trend to customers who may have first started out with a do-it-yourself approach to SD-WAN, saying they love the benefits, they love the configurability, they love the cost savings, but they really want somebody to manage it for them. And that's where service providers come in, and the MEF is really the home of the community that services that market. So we're really excited to have this role in both of these projects. First, proving what's possible in the implementation project, and then releasing a set of specifications for SD-WAN as a service. And we're going to try to take an agile approach to the specifications as well, so that we can get stuff out there as quickly as we can get good, solid MEF quality specifications out, but an approach where we don't wait 3 years for the complete omnibus to SD-WAN to come out. We get stuff out there that is usable as fast as we can and have follow-on specifications that build on that, taking the input from the implementation project, what works, how do we do it, how do we automate that in LSO, and making that part of the standard. This is great for Riverbed's perspective because we think that the SD-WAN market has an incredible amount of potential, but it needs a bit of clarity. It needs some precise definitions. It needs somebody to come along and say, this is what an SD-WAN is, and this is what it is not, and these are the components of it, and this is how you interact with it, so that when a service provider sells or markets their SD-WAN, and they can say, we're MEF-certified SD-WAN, the customer knows what they're getting, and they know what the spec means, and they know how they'll be able to interoperate with it. We at Riverbed think that is good for the market, and it's good for all of the membership here, and that's why we're excited to be part of this project.